much for popping on. Sorry about the sunshine popping through my sunshades, but I'm actually not mad at it. It's so pretty coming up this morning while I'm getting ready for a little trip. Hi y'all, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tracy Hyde. I am a Jordan Essentials consultant. Love my JE, love being a Jordy. I want to talk a little bit today about our amazing April customer special. So if you've not shopped with JE much or before, you might not know that when you spend $50, you unlock a customer special. This month, it is our amazing, it's called Sparkling Citrus Lip Butter. Okay, super cute. They say it's very, not necessarily lemonade or anything like that, but just very citrusy and very yummy. Now, the difference between our lip butter and like our lip balm, our lip butter has shea butter in it, right? So it's got that shea in it, which is super moisturizing. But I also want to show you something. Okay, so listen. Do you see this? This is what you get for $5 when you spend 50. And this is one of our lip balms. Let me, just for a little more comparison, a Helio stick or or your sleep stick or your allergy stick or your renew stick, it is the same size as this lip butter. When I got it, I was like, wait, what? Oh, excuse me. I don't, what? Okay. I know. Now I want to also let you in on a little secret. So, well, maybe it's not a secret anymore because we're already into April and we're moving, but, I wanted to tell you there's another version of this out there. In our spring gifting guide, we have an amazing collection of goodies. Now, if you're interested in that, come back. There's going to be another video coming. But I just wanted to I wanted to share this with you, but there's another one of these out there. And so if you're like, yo, I need all the big fat lip butter. Now, this is our regular lip butter, which for some reason I don't have available to me right now. It's a little, our other lip butter that's in that, that I typically wear. It's really, really nice. It is a little bit smaller than this one, but it is bigger than this by far. I ordered this just so that I could compare or share what I liked about them both. And I was like, oh wait, this is a mini. So anyways, so hopefully, this little quickish video, helped you understand a little bit about the customer special, compare it to our other sizes of sticks that we have so that you can see. So it's like a stick for your lips. So grab it up, okay? When you spend $50 on anything, you can grab this for $5. It's when you go into your cart to check out, it'll say, hey, you qualified for the customer special. You just click the button and then continue. And it'll say, do you want to add this? And make sure that it gives you a quantity of 1, because sometimes if you click the box, it still says quantity 0. Make sure it says quantity 1 so you get it. Okay. And then it'll add that to your cart and you'll have an extra $5 on there plus tax. And then you're good to go. So have a beautiful rest of your day. If this video helped you, give me a like, share with somebody you know needs a great big old lip butter tube. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. I would love for you to be part of our community here at Self-Care is How We Roll, right? And that's right. That is so right. All right. I love y'all. Go watch another video. Bye.